My name is Stephanie Chinnery and I'm one of the brass tutors with Music Partnership North, and I deliver music lessons within the Morpeth Partnership. I'm here today to tell you about the different brass instruments that you have the chance to play with the music service. All sounds are made by vibrations. When it comes to creating a sound on a brass instrument, these vibrations come from the lips. This buzz is then transferred into a mouthpiece. These mouthpieces vary in size depending on which brass instrument is being used. The first instruments I'm going to show you are the trumpet and the cornet. These are the highest sounding instruments in the brass family. The trumpet has a bright, piercing sound with a majestic quality. The cornet, by comparison, looks smaller than the trumpet, but don't let that fool you. The tube is exactly the same length. It has just been arranged in a more compact fashion with a few more twists and turns. This is a French horn. The tubing in this instrument is longer than that of a trumpet or cornet. This creates a lower sound. This particular instrument is a double horn. It has two sets of tubing slides, and this gives the instrument a big range of notes to play. The French horn is quite a versatile instrument as it can play rich, warm melodies and powerful fanfares. Up next is the trombone. The tubing on this instrument is approximately 9 feet in length. The biggest difference between this and all the other brass instruments is that instead of valves, it has a slide. An advantage of having a slide instead of valves means a player can glissando between notes perfectly, like so. And finally, this instrument is the tuba. It is the largest member of the brass family and has the lowest sound. It is renowned for playing groovy bass lines and deep, resonating melodies. Through learning to play an instrument, we will learn how to read written music in treble or bass clef. We will explore a wide range of styles and genres. What starts out as small group tuition can lead to involvement with ensembles, in or outside of school. At a primary level, students can begin to explore how multiple parts fit together and develop listening skills. Then at a secondary level, musical understanding increases and students go on to create their own music. Music allows you to build confidence and to perform with others within the community. It offers you the chance to perform in concerts, maybe playing in music festivals and at venues such as Woodhorn Museum or the sage. If you would like to learn more about one of these amazing instruments, please follow the link in the description and sign up for lessons today.